So here's a webcam. It looks like this, VStarcam. Okay, and let's connect it to this network. There's the router. Usually the Wi-Fi is not working well. Let's enable Wi-Fi, data and location also. The camera is powered, LED is flashing. Rotate it up because there is that tiny dot. That's the reset button. You have to reset it because it was connected to a different Wi-Fi network. So start Eye4, the application. It's not going to connect because it was linked to a different Wi-Fi network. So come here to the wheel in the lower right corner. Delete the camera itself. Okay. Camera deleted successfully. Add the device. Now scan the QR code which is down there. That's it.
Please use app for Wi-Fi configuration.
Please plug in the camera. Okay, let's unplug it and plug it in again. That simulates the first plug-in. Let's wait until it rotates up, down and left, right. Wait until it rotates. Let's see if there will be a voice prompt or no voice prompt. Nothing, it's silent. So choose no voice prompt. We have to reset the camera. To reset it, rotate the camera and push in a few seconds that tiny opening. Use a, let's say, toothpick. Push it in. It has to click. Car go by. Click.
Reset complete. You restart the device.
Reset complete. Reset success. There is voice prompt. Now introduce the local Wi-Fi network's username and password. Okay. Please check Wi-Fi password. Confirm it.
Please use APP for Wi-Fi configuration. Wireless connecting success.
Wireless connection success, something like that. Click on the binding. There's the camera, let's call it netcam1. Add it to the list. And there you have it. I'm not sure if the network is working, the Wi-Fi. Your device password is the initial password which has security risk. Do you want to change the device password? I don't have two options, just one. So enter a new password here. I enter a password and submit. And voila, it is working. Building an encrypted channel, whatever. And there is my hand in front of the camera. And I can rotate it. Left, right, up and down. So that's how to add the camera once again into your phone when you are using a different Wi-Fi network. And that's it.